Hi guys, welcome to Coding Blocks. In this lecture, we'll be starting with what are distributed systems. In the last lecture, we discussed about monoliths, how things happen, and the different aspects of them. So today we'll talk about these type of system or these type of architecture. Cool. Basically, there is a huge amount of data is present in the today's world because even a single click that we make, single click on e-commerce websites, they are being tracked. They are tracked. Cool. So making the amount of data very huge, very enormous amount of data is there. Cool. So we have to make a better user experience. That's the sole aim of companies like Flipkart or Myntra. Cool. So they store each and every activity. They have track of each and every thing that we are doing in the website. So this thing is resulting in enormous amount of data. Cool. Because it gives it helps them to give the better user experience or the best experience. Because these companies are more of a customer centric. Yeah. So so if we see that the data storage computation is happening and we need to store them somewhere. So we need huge data to get stored in multiple machines. Multiple machines. So from here only the main thing came, that is distributed system. That is our today's main agenda. So distributed system is nothing but a collection of multiple individual systems. Individual systems. Cool. So basically, what distributed system looks like, I'll just draw a quick diagram for that. Cool. So I think the code base for this is same and this code base is different. So we have different machine for this. Cool. So basically we run them. This is the execution environment. Cool. So this way we have the latency of systems very less. That's the main thing, and it's one of the main advantages why we are using the distributed systems. Cool. So if in case of monolith, we take a look that monolith will be somewhat like this. This is the execution environment, and all of them are stored in a single box. All the processes or the module A, B, C, D. Cool. The code base is same. In the case of distributed, these are separate. This might it might be a case that these two are together, but these two are separate. Or A B is together, C somewhere else, D somewhere else. So these things are in the case of a distributed system. Cool. Now let's quickly look at the benefits. So three major benefits: the low latency means it gives us the real time data. Second is we can scale it too much, means the scalability is also high, and also it's a reliable source, so it has a lots of reliability. Cool. There are certain disadvantages also that we need to know. The disadvantage first is the synchronization is tough, means there are several multiple machines, so it's basically tough to synchronize all the codes. Network failure might occur. Cool. So, and it's also complicated. So the complexity of these types of system is high. So this was means what is a distributed system. So in the next lecture, we'll look after different characteristics, the application characteristics that are required in system design and that we need to know. Thank you.